Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. Today we will continue our lecture with the topic linear programming with two variables. Okay, we will start with the idea using the problem. Today we will use the manufacturers of toys case. The manufacturers of toys make two type of product, soldiers and train. Maybe easy to understand if we give you a description. This is the soldier's toys, and this is the train toys, like that. Okay, both of these toys is produced by Kiapetos Wood Carving. The soldier sells for 27, so this is the selling price of soldiers, and this is the raw material. Okay, and each soldiers will make variable cost $14. This is the raw material. This is the cost of labor. Okay, what about the train? The train sells $21 and the raw material is $9 with the variable of labor $10. So this is the soldier's price, soldier's raw material, and soldier's labor cost. And this is the train price, train raw material, and the train labor cost. Okay. And what about the labor? Two type of labor that need to make these toys: carpentry and finishing. Okay, the soldiers requires 2 hours of finishing, and then 1 hour of carpentry. And the train need 1 hour of finishing and 1 hour of carpentry. Okay. Each week, Kiapetos obtain all its raw material, but only 100 finishing hour and 100 finishing hours and 80 carpentry hour. So this is the limitation of time. And the demand of the train is unlimited. So you can make any number of trains. Because you can sell any numbers, but you can see that the train is only 21 the price. But if you can sell the soldier, it's more expensive. But what about the selling of soldiers? Only 40 that you can sell. So this is the maximum of type of soldier that you can make, because otherwise it will be waste. Okay, the problem is how to maximize the profit. Okay, this is the problem of two variable and maximization problem. Okay, we will discuss this problem. We have objective function. We will talk about objective function. Objective function we will use as decision variables that we must decide. So we have two variables. The first is then how many numbers of production soldiers type and how many numbers of train types of toys. Okay, so this is the two variable x1 and x2, and then this is the selling price of soldiers much more expensive than the train. And this is the raw material of train, and the raw material, this is the material of soldiers, and this is the raw material of train. And the variable cost of soldiers is 14, and the variable cost of train is 10. Okay, the all idea for revenue is sales deducted by raw material and variable cost. Okay, this is the sales of soldiers, price times the quantity, x1 is quantity. This is the price of train times the quantity of train. And this is the raw material of both, raw material of soldiers and raw material of train. And this is the cost variable of train and soldiers. So this is the last equation of revenue. You just addition this and then deducted by this and this. So this is the revenue equation. This is an objective function. So you must maximize this objective function, because the problem is how to make the biggest profit. So biggest profit means the biggest revenue. Okay, objective function. And after you know the objective function, you must know the constraint function. You have 3 constraints in here. First constraint is you have the maximum of time. You only have 100 hours for finishing. Then you only have 80 hours of carpentry times, and you can only sell 40 pieces for soldiers, though you can sell any number of train, but the train is only make a smaller profit. So you must focus to fulfill all the expensive one for soldiers, 40 pieces, and then the rest you can make the resources to make the train toys. Okay, the maximum of 100 finishing. So finishing soldiers 2 hours, finishing train 1 hour. So this is the constraint of finishing hours. To make the soldiers, you need carpentry 1 hour, and carpentry for train is 1 hour. And you only have 80, so this is the constraint of carpentry resources. Okay, because the maximum of soldiers that you can sell is 40, so this is the equation or the limitation, that 40 is the maximum toys of soldiers that you must make. Okay, of course this is the sign restriction. The quantity of soldiers and train is greater than 0. Of course this is the mathematical sign restriction. Okay, throughout this equation, from the objective equation and then the constraint equation, we can make a graph of solution. Okay, actually this is the restriction. 80 is the restriction of carpentry, and this is the restriction of finishing hours, and the test problem here. This is the objective function. This is the objective function of this revenue. So the dash line here, this is actually the revenue function. Revenue function that actually 3x1 plus 2x1. 3x1 plus 2x1. Okay, this is 2x1 plus 3x1 equal to 60, and here in this problem is 60 equal to 3x1 plus 2x1, and this is equal to 100, and this is the maximum one because intersection in this point. So this point is the point that we're looking for, and the gray one, this is the feasible solution. Okay, we will discuss this solution via synchronous meeting. Okay, see you tomorrow. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.